Hi everyone, hope y'all are doing well today, and I've got a piece of Dichroic glass that I made a while back. It's been a while, probably about 10 years ago. I've got two pieces of nickel silver, and it's 21 inches long, and this, let's see how big this is. About 29 about 22 and a half, and we're going to wrap this one. So I'm going to double up my wire, take it around. I go in the middle, tighten it down. Probably shouldn't be messing with the nickel silver because I've hurt my arm. And it's a stiff wire, but I was working with some copper earlier, and let me tell you, I didn't think that copper was that tough, but it was square copper wire, so I'm going to take that one across. And I put it with some round so I could get the effect of the square with it. And whenever I did, I want to take that one to the center of the back, and then I'm taking, if I can hold it, right, I took this one over and to the center, and I'm taking that one down. So, alright, now I'll show you again on this side. It's the same thing. I'm just going across, taking it across and going back down here and taking this one up. And I'll show you. See, this one's going down, this one's going down. So we went across, we brought that wire, and we come up this way. And then we took the wire that was on the other side and went down. We did the same thing here. So that's what it looks like. Now, we're going to do a little curl here. And go out, go down and catch this wire we stuck behind and go around it. And with this wire, gonna need pliers. Do the same thing here. Do a curl on that wire, and then we're going up it. And we're going to go back around the back, try to hide it. Some stones you can hide it easier than you can on some. Now, twist it a little bit. It's cool, so I throw this sweater on. There, that's what we have so far. And our stone's still a little loose, but we'll tighten that up. Alright, I'm gonna, so what do I want to do first? I want to do the bell. Let's get that out of the way. We'll just lay that wire there for a minute. Push it down here. A little bit more together. And then we're going to take that wire and go around it. Alright. Now, that's what we have on the back. That's what we have on the front. Which one do I want? I want this one. I'm going to make a swirl down here at the bottom. I'm going to take that around as low as I can get it there. And go around that for right now. I've got that swirl there. Now, see which one our longer one is. It's that one. So that's gonna go the wrong way. Alright, we're gonna take it this way. And we're gonna curl it. Curl it down. And go around. And, yeah, I've really messed my arm up. I'm going to go around this. Okay, right here. under there so it don't catch on anything. We've been cleaning out our basement, so maybe we can have a room or two down there. Okay. Gonna curl this here. Pull it over to the side a little bit more. Do another little curl around it. This stuff is hard. It's nickel silver, and well, I guess it ain't as hard as the square copper I was working with a little while ago. I want that around behind my spiral, if I can. We'll go down there with it, and we'll cut it. There. Need something here. Let's take both of these and make a little swirl if I can get my hand to work. Do I want to go across it there? Together? Or do I want to go up here? What do y'all think up there? I'm thinking here, right between the blue, because that's black in between it, see? Take it around and put it there. It might hold the stone better. That's where we're going. And just make sure you get it there. If I want the spiral. Yeah, I guess we'll put it behind. And if y'all have been looking for my videos of art, I started a new channel. I don't know if I've told it on this video or not. Probably have. But it'll just be for the art. And it's a useful life art. So if you don't mind, sign up for it too. If you like my art. But yeah, I appreciate y'all sticking out to the end, and thanks for watching. That's our Dichroic Glass and nickel silver wire. And y'all, I really appreciate y'all sticking it out to the end. You don't know how much that helps. But thanks for liking and subscribing, and I hope to see you next time. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.